For thousands of years, snakes have been associated with fear and awe. But strangely, these creatures are known not only for their deadly venom, but also for the rare medicinal substances and materials extracted from them. One of the most mysterious is snake powder. What is it? How is it made? What are its therapeutic secrets? Where is it sold? This is what we will discover together in this video. What is snake powder? Snake powder is a substance made by drying parts of a snake, especially the skin, meat, or even some bones, and then finely grinding them into a fine powder. In some ancient cultures, snake powder was considered one of the most expensive and sought-after medicinal substances, as it was believed to carry the power and energy of the snake. How is the powder made? The process usually begins by catching the snake and stripping it of its skin after drying it. Sometimes the entire body of the snake is used after removing the venom. The skin or meat is left in the sun for a long time until it dries completely. It is then ground into a fine powder. In some regions, it is mixed with herbs or other ingredients to enhance its medicinal effect. Oddly enough, the preparation method varies from country to country. While the Chinese focus on drying the entire body, people in some African regions only use the skin. Therapeutic uses. Snake powder has a long history in folk medicine. Among its most prominent uses are treating rheumatism and joint pain. It is believed to reduce inflammation. Stimulating blood circulation, especially when mixed with Chinese herbs. Aphrodisiac, used in some countries as a natural tonic. Treating skin conditions, such as rashes, itching, and dark spots. Cosmetic, it is used in face masks and creams to combat wrinkles and aging. However, it should be noted that many of these uses have not been fully scientifically proven, and some may be dangerous if used without medical supervision. Where is it sold? Snake powder is not a common product sold everywhere. It is a rare product. In China, it is sold in traditional medicine shops alongside rare herbs. In India, it is used in Ayurvedic recipes and sold in popular markets. In Africa, especially Nigeria, it is sold at herbalists' shops and mixed with other ingredients. In some Arab countries, it can be found at herbalists' shops, but in limited quantities and often hidden from view. It is also sometimes offered on websites selling natural products, but there is a lot of commercial fraud, where it is replaced with ordinary powders that have nothing to do with snakes. Snake powder ... a mixture of myth and reality. Some see it as a miraculous cure, while others consider it a dangerous myth. The truth is that this substance has long intrigued scientists and researchers. But it still requires accurate scientific studies to reveal its true nature. Could it one day become an officially approved medicine? Or will it remain just a secret of folk medicine? Share your opinions with us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing secrets from the natural world. Despite all that we've mentioned about snake powder, the mystery doesn't stop there. Recent scientific studies have begun to investigate the components of this powder in greater detail. Preliminary results indicate that it contains proteins and amino acids that may play a role in strengthening immunity and cell regeneration. However, the major problem is that traditional preparation methods do not adhere to safety standards, making some of these products unsafe and potentially causing serious health problems. It's interesting that some pharmaceutical companies have begun to consider extracting active compounds from snake skin using pure laboratory methods, far from traditional methods. The goal is to transform this mysterious substance from a mere ancient tradition into a reliable and approved treatment. So we are at a crossroads between a folk heritage spanning thousands of years and modern science seeking to rediscover this heritage in a safer way. The question remains, will snake powder become part of modern pharmacology in the future? Or will it remain confined to myths and popular markets?